second category is water. Drinking contaminated water or even just sharing glasses. Ulitin natin. May discontinuity.
Anong tawag doon kapag si mga K-pop? Bala kayo dyan.
Kayo?
So, ayun na nga. Nag-video sila guys. Pero I have to make this about me. How can I make this about me?
The second category is water. Drinking contaminated water and shared glasses or fluids with someone can cause spread germs or disease. So the next time you're trying to sip from your friend's glass, maybe think twice.
Kino-call out mo kami, Mina, dito.
Talaga.
Nako-call out ka. Parinig. Kunyari, ano niya sa school, pero ano pala? Pinaparinggan pala tayo.
Sabihin mo, ka mga makikinig. Germs, bitch.
Iba naman. Dito ka naman, oh.
Ano naman transition natin sir?
Hindi nga ako mag-transition.
Hindi, wag na. Para sandwich. The third category, of course, food. If food is left uncovered, insects like flies, cockroaches, and drugs can contaminate the food. That's what we call so the next time the food looks suspicious and dirty, don't eat. Kapag kita transition, beka mo.
Uy! Tapos paangat siya, gano'n. Gano'n. Babagi roll.
Pero sa dito, diba? Ganun, biglang ka, ganun. So next, basta ba yun?
Pagod. Pumuna. Sana di madumi. Madumi.